Hello viewers, welcome back again to our channel Investwink Advisors. As you all know, we have been sharing our trading performance videos on monthly basis. And today we are going to share the June month performance. We had already released the teaser of the same. Hope you all have watched it. We could not release the detailed video immediately after the month completion, so thought to share it now. The total profit for the June month was 7.4 lakhs. To validate this, let me take you through the back office report. We are in portfolio. We did not take any positions in futures for the June month. So let me click all. And here you go. The total profit is 7.4 lakhs. Now let's quickly discuss in details week by week to understand how the markets performed and what sort of option strategies we deployed to gain such returns. In the June month, we traded only in Bank Nifty options, and the overall month was quite tepid. As you can see, Bank Nifty was trading in the tight range of 1500 points. If we talk from the option seller's perspective, then this was the easy month as the Bank Nifty consolidated in smaller range. So it gave good money because premiums got easily consumed without much volatile moves. Now, speaking on the strategy, we deployed strangles and straddles in each weekly expiry. Many people asked us to know or explain how we trade and what strategies to deploy in different market situations. So especially for them, we will make efforts to explain you highlighting how we look at the market and how we place our trades. So kindly carefully listen to the video to understand our strategy, and towards the end of the video, we will give you one hint on how to succeed in options trading. So stay tuned with us till the end. In first week, Bank Nifty had positive strength. The reason for it was RBI had kept the interest rates unchanged in its monetary policy review. That led to a positive sentiment in the market. And we saw Bank Nifty closing with gains of 500 points. If we closely take a look at our trades, we did not have any call options below 35,000 strike. And all put options gave us good profits as Nifty closed at 35,650 levels. The profit for first week was 1.71 lakhs. Now, moving to second week. Bank Nifty turned negative despite better than expected GDP data, positive IIP performance, and GST collections being maintained over 1 lakh crore mark. All this indicated that the economy was exhibiting necessary resilience despite the second wave. Though the market seemed to be dull, but still it maintained strict support levels and closed exactly at the same levels of 35,130 where it jumped from in the first week. In regards to trades, we shorted call options from 36,200 till 35,000 levels, and we had all put options below 35,200 levels. Since all the strikes were out of the money, so it had given us good profit. We closed the second week expiry with 2.8 lakhs profit. Now, moving on to third week, the sentiment further weakened and slowly we saw the index dipping. Since there were no significant events and market had also factored all the negatives due to pandemic growth slowdown, Bank Nifty just consolidated in narrow range with no major moves either side. We had been making good profits this week too, but Bank Nifty on the expiry day had opened gap down with 300 points, which required us to make adjustments on the positions to strengthen the hedge. And as you know, more hedge eats into the profits. So same thing happened with us. We ended the profit with just 43k for the week. Then comes the last week and monthly expiry for the June month. This week it was like a deadlock between bulls and bears. Bank Nifty on first day of week expiry had broken the support zone. However, recovered towards the end of the day. Next day again, Bank Nifty opened gap down but fully recovered and closed above previous day's closing. It was a strong positive candle. Until the monthly expiry, we did not see it breaking below the support zones. We mostly had long positions, so you can see we had aggressively shorted the put options. Later in midweek, we resorted to selling call options too, when the Bank Nifty move faded away. This way, we ended with 2.44 lakh profit for the last expiry week. So the total profit for the month stood at 7.4 lakhs. We hope in this video you understood a bit more details on the way we trade, and I am sure you will learn it gradually when you regularly follow our videos. Now coming to the last section. As promised, we will reveal you with one hint that will consistently make profits in options trading. So what is it? Here you go. Split your capital in 5 to 6 parts to take trades and set aside some portion of capital for adjustments if needed. What it means? Let's learn from example. If we take our case, we deploy 10 to 15% of our capital each day for weekly expiry trades, and any remaining capital will be utilized for further adjustments during unpredictable movement in market. Now how this will help us? Say, if we utilize smaller portion on each day, we will be efficiently able to capitalize on opportunities if there is sudden move on any single given day. Hope you understood it. If you diligently apply this strategy of capital split, you will surely avoid losses. And in case if you are already profitable, your returns on capital deployed will further improve. With this, we come to an end with the performance review for June month. To get regular market updates, kindly follow Investing Advisors on Twitter, Koo, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram and Telegram channel. Thanks for watching the video. We hope the trading strategies and hint we provided will make you better trader. If you liked it, do share and subscribe to this channel.